The name Cummins N14 carries weight, literally and figuratively. If you've ever stood near one rumbling to life, you know what I mean. The deep chest-pounding idle, the unmistakable whistle of the turbo, the reliability that built reputations across generations of truckers. But it's 2025, and things have changed. Emissions regulations, computer-controlled engines, EV trucks on the horizon. So why is everyone suddenly buzzing about the N14 again? Stick around, because what's under the hood isn't just steel and pistons. It's a story of resurrection, controversy, and maybe revolution. The confrontation, breaking down the buzz. Let's roll back the odometer. The original N14, launched in the 90s, was a 14-liter inline-six beast, known for its mechanical simplicity, over-the-road longevity, and that unmistakable red block. It powered fleets across America like a diesel titan. But here's the plot twist. Cummins officially retired the N14 in 2001. So what's with the 2025 model? Did we just open a time machine? Or did someone at Cummins forget they retired this engine 24 years ago? Not quite. Here's what actually happened. In a bold move, Cummins has revamped the N14 brand, not by resurrecting the old mechanical workhorse, but by merging legacy power with modern engineering. The 2025 N14 isn't a reboot, it's a reinterpretation. This new engine keeps the iconic displacement and block structure, but incorporates common rail fuel injection, advanced EGR and DEF systems, over-the-air diagnostics, and yes, partial hybrid capabilities. Wait, what? That's right. The 2025 Cummins N14 isn't just a nod to the past, it's a bridge to the future. Designed for Class 8 trucks, it delivers up to 625 horsepower and 2,100 pound-feet of torque, while meeting EPA Phase 3 emissions targets head-on. But why bring back the name? Because brand legacy sells. Cummins knows the N14 has a loyal following. By attaching this name to a modern power plant, they tap into nostalgia while delivering future-forward tech. And if you're thinking, wait, isn't this just marketing? You're not wrong, but you're also not seeing the bigger play yet. Cliffhanger tease, because in just a minute, we're going to uncover who the 2025 N14 is really built for, and it's not who you think. The resolution: who needs the 2025 N14? So here's the big question. Who is this engine really for? It's not aimed at the casual fleet buyer. It's for checkmark owner-operators who want power and reliability, custom rig builders who demand performance and identity, and, believe it or not, municipal fleets that need consistent uptime but aren't ready to go all electric. This engine is a middle finger to obsolescence. A statement from Cummins that says, "We know what worked, and we're making it work again, smarter." It's like slapping a jet engine onto a Harley-Davidson. It shouldn't work, but somehow, it does. Here's where things get really interesting. Cummins is offering a conversion program for older N14 units. That means your 1999 Peterbilt might be eligible for a full retrofit. Modern tech, zero downtime, and lower operating costs. But there's a catch. Only 2,500 units will be produced in the first run. After that, it's uncertain. Demand is through the roof, and Cummins is playing this one tight. So if you want one, the window is closing, and fast. The 2025 Cummins N14 isn't just an engine. It's a statement that says, American diesel isn't dead. It's just evolving. And whether you're a veteran driver, a gearhead, or someone who just loves that unmistakable low-end growl of a true diesel, the N14 is back, and it's better than ever. Want to see this beast in action? I'll be dropping a full breakdown of its test run performance numbers in the next video, and you don't want to miss that. So hit subscribe, ring that bell, and leave a comment below. Would you run the 2025 N14 in your rig? Or is it all hype? Let's hear it. 2025 Cummins N14 versus X15. Which should you choose? Top 5 diesel engines for heavy-duty hauling, 2025 edition. Are hybrid diesels the future of trucking?